Alright, so for today's video, let's talk about child prodigies and my take on it, no? And how you could be inspired and how you could act in order for you to be able to at least have the same skills as these young kids, no? That are very talented, very gifted, no? Kung tawagin natin. And actually very skilled, no? So, this comes from marami akong mga adult students na parang, hala, late na ako nag-start, ganyan. Buti pa sila, 7 years old, 8 years old, natutugtog na yung mga piyesang gusto kong tugtugin. Okay. But the thing is, child prodigies weren't really born, di ba? They were made. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin nito? There's no such thing as someone that is born na magaling na agad, di ba? We're all going to start from somewhere, no? There's so much studies on this. May mga tests na ginawa wherein they led their child to become great chess masters, mga pianists, violinists, no? So, this is a good thing as well. Why? Kasi alam natin na pwede nating i-replicate or i-simulate yung mga ginagawa nila in order for us to be good in whatever craft we choose as well, 'di ba? Kasi yun nga, they're made. They are not born na ganun na talaga sila, no? Although we can say na some are gifted in a sense na maganda yung ears nila, they can easily detect pitches, no? But then again, it all stems down from the environment and upbringing, no? Kung mapapansin nyo yan, no, you don't even need to go research a lot of this stuff. Magtanong lang kayo, no? Yung mga musicians dyan nakakilala nyo, for example. Ask them about their upbringing sa bahay nila. Lagi bang may music? Lagi ba silang nakikinig ng ganitong klaseng music? Nakikinig ba sila ng classical? 'Di ba? Doon mo pa lang makikita mo na kung anong environment yung kinakalakihan. Ganun din made-develop, 'di ba? So, we're not trying to say na pag matanda ka na, wala ka ng chance to become good. But we can get a lesson from how they make child prodigies is that your environment is a big factor, no? Yung support din, no? Support system ng parents, kasi kahit gaano ka ka-talented, if you're not given the opportunity to learn from people na magaling talaga, opportunity to take lessons, 'di ba? Opportunity to be exposed, no? Nanonood ka ng mga concerts, nakakapanood ka ng mga magagaling talaga, and the opportunity to actually study, 'di ba? Kasi kung may talent ka pero hindi siya dinedevelop, sayang lang, 'di ba? Ganun yung nangyayari. As we've said, 'di ba? Talent finishes, natatapos 'yan eh. Meron lang yang hangganan, but what will make up for that end or edge of talent is your skill, your work ethic, your understanding, your knowledge na dinedevelop mo, no? So it means that in order for you to become good, you have to have a good environment. Nakikinig ka ba ng mga music na kailangan mo? Nagtatrabaho ka ba? Do you do enough? Do you put in enough work? Do you have a good support system around you? Kung hindi man sila nagbabayad ng lessons mo, do they encourage you na ipagpatuloy yung ginagawa mo, or are they, wag na yan, wala kang future dyan, 'di ba? Those words mean a lot of things. So if you want to be real good, no, use those kids as inspiration, ang galing nila. Pero realize that you also can do that even at a later age. Even if you're older, you just have to set things up, put them in the right space, you have to have the right mindset, and also the right people around you, no? Get good mentors, get teachers na alam yung kailangan mo, get people that will encourage you to continue doing the things that you love, 'di ba? So even as an adult, yes, makanauna na sa'yo ng konti yung mga child prodigies na yan, but you're still able to learn, you'll still be able to grow, and hopefully you can still play and develop the skills you need. Kasi, hindi naman porket 7 years old kaya nang tumugtog ng ganyan, yun hanggang dun na lang din sila, 'di ba? They could still grow. And wala namang age ang music eh. 'Di ba? Especially for a lot of those who are starting out late in life, siguro kasi hindi na pagbigyan ng parents nila, 'di ba? Or they had to kailangan nilang pagbigyan yung parents nila na gawin mo na yung gusto nila. Now they want to try it out. No, wala. It's never too late. And just understand that you can make certain decisions. You can create an environment that would help you succeed. And surround yourself with people that will root for you para gumaling ka. So yes, child prodigies aren't born, they're made. And that gives us hope. No, hindi mo sasabihin na hopeless na ako kasi wala. Kasi magaling na siya ng bata pa. Hindi. Kung ikaw matanda ka na ng konti, use that as fuel na parang with the right amount of support, with the right training, and with the right environment, I could still be good. No. So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.